Hey everyone, and welcome back to Luigi's Mansion. In the last episode, we found Mario's hat, and we captured Melody. Yeah, we captured the piano girl. Yeah, and I think she likes music. Oh, no kidding. Can't stand the beat. Yeah. In today's episode, we are gonna go to that room and find out who's making that sound in the hallway. So let's go. Luigi, this is no time for dancing. Come on, Luigi, let's go. Oh wait, let's go. Okay. I hate these ghosts. Alright, here we are. What the? Would you go away? Jeez, you're little freaking freaks. Hear that? That sound. Would you leave me alone? Go away! Gosh. That's it. I'm gonna go inside before he comes in. Comes up here. Hello? Oh, what the? Really? He throws banana peels on the floor? Someone's gonna trip. Jeez. Stupid slob. Looks like we're in the dining. Whoa, that's the ghost? Oh my gosh! He's huge. Oops, I don't mean to be rude, but he's fat. What? What do you expect? Look at him. He's fat. Sheesh. Let's see what he has to say. Sorry for calling him fat, but he looks huge. Looks like he put on a couple of pounds. Okay, let's see what he has to say. No one can see me in this darkness. No one. Wait, that's it? That's what he said? How come no one wants to see him in the darkness? What's there to hide? Wait. Oh, I know why he's hiding in the darkness. Because he's wearing a pink suit. If you look very closely, you can see flowers. And that's what fat people wear. I think that's what they wear, I think. But look at it. If you look very closely, you can see he's wearing flowers. Oh gosh, it's like a pig. I wonder how he died. Well, I'm gonna guess he ate and ate and ate until one day he choked and he died. That's how he died. Or maybe he ate too much or he got a heart attack. Anyway, if you look down here, you can see a cheese. Yeah, smooth. Let's see if there's some mouse. Whoa, here, mousey. Yes, good enough. Ooh, there's money everywhere. Man, he does love to eat. Alright, if you look in here, you'll find a spirit. Or should I say, money ghost. Ready? 1, 2, 3! I did it! Phew. Man, they can be so tricky. Look, see flowers. I guess he doesn't want to be embarrassed. Oh, don't worry, I'll bring you some nice candle lights. Hey, I can see you. I can see you eating. Alright. What the? Oh, cool, waiters! Yeah, I like to have a double cheeseburger. Excuse me, I like to have some... Excuse me! Excuse me! Talk about rude servicing. Well, if you're not gonna give me my order, you're going in the vacuum. I just want like chicken wings or something. Oh, Luigi, watching him eat makes you very hungry. Sheesh. Anyway, you have to suck up these ghosts. If you don't suck them up, you have to suck up his food. And if you suck up his food, his little waiters will come by and give him more. It's best to get rid of them. Why is he eating? Is that Joe? It is Joe, I think. Joe. Delicious. Come to Papa. Delicious. Uh-oh. He's not too happy because I ate his dinner. Wait, he throws fireballs? What is he, some kind of dragon? Whoa, miss me. Ha-ha. Na-na-na-na-boo-boo. Is that your best shot? I have... Whoa! Okay, you got me. Whoa. Don't you get tired eventually? Oh, whoa, he's tired. Don't worry, you can sleep in my, vacuum. I got you. Oh man, I shrunk it. I'm small again. Uh-oh, please don't eat me. Well, if that size, he thinks he'll eat his dinner. Whoa. Gotcha! Ooh.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Oh yeah.
A ball? Really?
Oh yeah.
Come out, you little sneaky little boo. Gotcha. Alright, I did it. Oh, man, battling that ghost is hard work. Looks like Luigi needs some meat. Well, at least that ghost needs to go on a diet. Yeah, a diet. Ooh, I got a shiny ruby. Alright. That's all.
Oh yeah. Mario.
I like Luigi when he does that voice.
Mario.
Alright, let's go in here. Alright, just to let you know, if you do this like a couple of times, you gotta go to mouse. I'm gonna keep doing it so I can show you. If you hear that ding. Wait. This won't take a minute. Alright, this might take a while. There we go! See? A mouse! If you do that, a mouse will come out. Whoa. Looks like we're in the kitchen. And they left the water running. Gotcha! Whew. Alright, if you check here, you see a fire. When you do fire, a ruby comes out. Alright. Okay, if you look inside this dishwasher, there's another little speed spirit. I like mini guts. Ready? Set. Go. I'll show you. See? Do that and you get this. And look, where you go? Yay. Well, with all the money in the world, Luigi can buy a chef. Or actually, hire a chef. Alright. Guess we can't go through that because it's on fire. No, we're gonna get worse. Good. I wonder if there's some apples.
Oh yeah.
Is there any food in the fridge? I said, he's hungry. Whoa, a ghost came out of the fridge. Ooh. Hey! Here we go again.
Oh yeah.
Burrata or something? Whoa. I like you. No. Gotcha. He almost got away. Alright. Ooh, a giant chest.
Oh yeah.
What's this? A blue water? Hey, it's just like the fire one. I get to have water powers. No. It's Egad. What does he want now? And, by the way, how does Egad know I have it? How does he know? Is he spying on me? Hey now, Luigi. Hey now, Luigi. Looks like what? You have something other. Oh, is that time? Oh, it's time. That's the wall amulet. What? Now you can use the water. Okay, water. Now that's dried. Vacuum it up. And water. And press the L button to use water. Water. Remember that. Okay? If you press the L button, all the... Yeah. I know how to use the L button. I heard that all these ghosts you can use to defeat once you get... Ooh, so I can just run with water? How is that even possible? Okay, thank you. Don't get too punchy up with your new responsibilities. Good, Luigi?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, thanks for the boring talk. Alright, let's try this out. Alright, all the fires, all the firefighters. Get out the way. Oh, the boneyard. Oh, look, here's, you see this whole portfolio? But watch what happens. Yep, it grows. It's a dog. Let's see what the dog has to say. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Of course he's gonna say woof, woof, woof. That's what dogs ever say. Oh, dogs can't talk. But you know what would be great if dogs do talk? So you can understand. If they say bark, 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 you don't know what they're saying. You don't know if they want to go out or they want to eat, whatever. Having a dog is a responsibility. Hey boy, who's a good little doggy? Who's a good... Whoa, what are you doing? Whoa, down boy, down, down, bad dog. Who's a bad dog? You're a bad dog, bad dog. No, bad dog. No, no biting my foot. Who's a bad dog? Who's a good dog? Who's a good dog? Do you want a bone? Who's a bad dog? Who's a bad dog? Oh, Bones, father, you have been awakened. Look, boy, there's some bones over there. Don't chase me, get the bone. The bone. Here, boy, come and get it. Dinner. Yeah, who's a good little boy? I wonder what he's saying now. Yeah. He did say his woof, woof, food. Oh, who's a good little boy? I'm taking you to the pound. Dang it, again, really? Oh, everyone ignore that winning. Yeah, everyone just ignore that. Alright, so we have, yeah, everyone just ignore that. Yeah, I'm recording in the living room. Alright, sorry about that everyone. It's hard to record something when you're getting really interrupted. Alright, let's just go inside. Ooh, we're going inside the doggy door. Sweet. Looks like we're going to the graveyard. But we should do that in the next episode. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam. Thank you for watching, and I'm sorry for that ringing. Yeah, just ignore that. So if you like this video, like down below. Until the next episode, we'll go to the graveyard. Yeah, and then we'll come evil to the graveyard. This is Adam. Thanks for watching. You have anything to say, Luigi? Oh. Luigi, I don't want to get wet. Well, thank you so much for watching. See you guys next time. Bye.